utuko wa umuthi reke tuthie na mbere na gukumenyithia a Kenya mati kureka wiathi na ihoto iria ciaroireirwo ni Raila Odinga cihotomio ni mudoro wothe ni miario iria kana ni miario ya uria wale mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta akiaria igongona-ini ria kuririkana Raila riria legutafanirio kana ritafanirio kiharo-ini Kenya guku Nairobi. Uhuru ni agathiririe Raila akiuga arari mwendi thayo na ni atacoketie makinya manene ma kugacirithia thayo guku bururi-ini.
Tunaomba mtupe himu
ni makiri ma Kenya oro hamwe na atongoria matiganite kuria megwikinyitie kuheana gitio kia muthia kuri uria wari Prime Minister Raila Odinga. Uria wari mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta ni egwikinyitie igongona-ini riri niguo kuhe Raila gitio kia muthia akiririkana maundu maria manakorwo magika na Raila.
Tuko hapa pamoja kama Wakenya kusherehekea maisha ya Mkenya mwenzetu, kiongozi, rafiki yangu, lakini mimi nilimpenda kama ndugu yangu, Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga. Vile tumeambiwa hapa, tulimjua kwa majina tofauti tofauti: Agwambo, Jacob, Tinga. Lakini kama Wakenya kutoka kona zote tulimjua na tukamheshimu kama baba.
Uhuru akigathiriria Raila na kuga arari mwendi thayo na ni arendete bururi wa Kenya wikare na thayo. Kenyatta akiuga matigwetekira wiyathi na ihoto iria Raila araroireire ihotomio ni mundu o wothe.
Raila alipenda umoja wa taifa letu. Raila alifurahia akiona Wakenya wakiungana, wakishirikiana, wakijenga taifa lao pamoja. Raila alikuwa mtetezi wa haki ya kila mtu. Kwa hali ambapo alikuwa anaona hakuna haki, Raila ndio alikuwa wa mbele hapo kuhakikisha ya kwamba haki zimepatikana. Na wenzangu, nawaambia hivi, tunawakumbuka wakina Mzee Jomo Kenyatta na Jaramogi Odinga kwa kutetea uhuru wa nchi yetu. Na kila mara tukiimba wimbo wa taifa tunasema tunatalinda uhuru wetu na damu yetu na jasho yetu. Leo hii tukiwa tunaaga baba yetu Raila Amolo Odinga, nataka pia tujiape ya kwamba hatutakubali kama Wakenya haki za kibinadamu, demokrasia na mambo yale yote ambayo Raila alitetea, hatutakubali arudi nyuma.
Oho akiuga bururi wa Kenya ni mworwo ni mutongoria wa bata na utarari muyendi na niorwo ni murata wa hakuhi.
Kenya imepoteza kiongozi ambaye historia ya demokrasia katika taifa letu la Kenya haiwezi iandikwe bila la jina la Raila Amolo Odinga kuwa nambari 1.
Igongona ria gucakaya Raila riguthie na mbere na atanyitwo kuhurukio muthe wa kiumia mucini gwake mwena wa Bondo.
Raila ametuacha kimwili, lakini ndani za roho yetu, ndani ya spirit ya Kenya, ataendelea kuishi miaka na miaka tukisonga mbele.
Ngiribotera ceceni ya Kameme TV Njĩtagwo Wanjĩrĩ wa Kariuki.
Uria wale Prime Minister Raila Odinga ni aheirwo gitio kia mwanya bunge-ini ya bururi mwiri wake ukirorwo ni kana ukirorerwo ni atongoria matiganite matongoretio ni President William Ruto igongona riria ritafaneirio kana ritafaneirio ro kuria thiini wa cikaro cia bunge no atongoria atatu tu manaheo gitio giki President wa mbere Jomo Kenyatta, Daniel Moi hamwe na Moi wa Kibaki umuthi Raila akiheo gitio giki kumana na utongoria wake toria turamenyithio thiini wa riboti ino.
Bunge-ini ya bururi nikuo mwiri wa uria wari Prime Minister Raila Odinga utwarirwo niguo kuhe mweke atongoria kuona iri ta njira ya kumwe gitio kia mwanya.
Down the main when the night again and the sun shines daily on the mountain top.
Ni gitio kia mwanya kiria kiheagwo atongoria ngathĩ igũrũ bũrũri-inĩ rĩrĩa mahuruka na igongona rĩrĩ rĩanatabanĩrio atongoria atatu tu, President wa mbere Jomo Kenyatta, Daniel Moi, Moi wa Kibaki, ũmũthĩ Raila agĩtuĩka wa kana kuma na ngathĩ yake ya utongoria wa bũrũri.
I took a trip on a sailing ship and when I reached India I made a stop at Bondota.
Igongona-inĩ rĩrĩ mwĩrĩ wĩigagĩrwo igũrũ tarĩ ithandũkũ-inĩ na atongoria ngathĩ igũrũ bũrũri-inĩ maheagwo rũtha rwa kuona na kũhe mũtigairĩ gĩtĩo kĩa mwanya. Mathaa-inĩ ma kĩroko, President William Ruto ekinyia bunge-inĩ ya bũrũri akĩamũkĩrwo nĩ Speaker Moses Wetangula na mũrunawe wa Senator Amason Kingi hamwe na atongoria angĩ. Ihinda-inĩ rĩu, President William Ruto akĩgĩa na mweke wa kwandĩka ndũmĩrĩri yake ya macakaya akĩgana Raila ta mũtongoria rutagĩra ũtongoria-inĩ wa bũrũri ũrũmwe na wĩyathi wa Kenya. Kenya magithie na mbere kuhia mweke wa kuona mwiri wa Raila kiaro-ini kia Nyayo guku Nairobi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV gitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.
Nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri ya kana nyumba-ini ya kuiga akuo ya Lee nikuo mwiri wa uria wari Prime Minister Raila Odinga urutirwo kiroko kia umuthi uri rungu rwa ugitiri munene wa mbirarũ na imwe kwa imwe watwarwo nginyagia bunge-ini ya bũrũri kuria atongoria ikĩro itiganĩte magĩire na mweke wa kũmuona matongoretio nĩ mũtongoria wa bũrũri Dr. William Ruto hamwe na mũtumia wake Rachel Ruto. Andũ a nyũmba ya Raila na bunge gatagatĩ ka atongoria angĩ nĩo magĩire na mweke ũcio wa kugira Raila ũhoro kuria thĩinĩ wa bunge tũrĩa tũramenyithio nĩ Wambui wa Njũgũna.
Mathaa-inĩ ma thinacara na nuthu cia kiroko niguo mwiri wa uria wari Prime Minister Raila Odinga urutirwo nyumba-inĩ ya kuiga akuo ya Lee guku Nairobi, mĩhang'o ĩrĩa ĩtwarithirio na mbere ĩrĩ na itĩo ciothe cia gĩbũrũri nĩ mbirarũ. Imwe kwa imwe mwiri watwarwo bunge-ini ya bũrũri niguo gutigirira atongoria hamwe na bunge ni maheo mweke wa kuhe Raila gitio kia muthia. aria megwikinyitie kuona mwiri ni hamwe na andu a nyumba ya Raila Odinga, mutongoria wa bururi Dr. William Ruto, munini wa President Professor Kithure Kindiki, mutongoria wa kiama gia PNP Martha Karua, uria wari minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i, gatagati ka angi. Kuma bunge-ini ya bururi mwiri utwarirwo imwe kwa imwe nginyagia kiharo-ini kia Nyayo Stadium mathaa-ini ma thaa 4 cia kiroko, kuria atongoria na Kenya manyitanĩire igongona-ini ria mahoya na kuririkana uturo wa Raila Odinga. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Getwo Wambui wa Njuguna.
Ngatho muno Wambui wa Njuguna ni undu wa riboti iyo. Riu reke tumurike ciĩgiĩ meharĩria ma muthenya wa rũciũ, mihango ya meharĩria ma mathiko ma uria urari mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga no irathie na mbere mwena wa Githumo na muciĩ gwake Bondo. Aikari na atongoria makinyitanĩra gutigirira ni areka uria kwagĩrĩire. Hamwe na uguo atongoria a mwena uyu ni mathingatĩtwo gugakorwo kana gukagacĩrithia thayũ hĩndĩ ya mihango iyo.
Thegia wa kieha kinene kugumira itura ria Bondo, mihango ya kuhurukia mutongoria wa kahinda kanene wa uregani Raila Odinga riu irigia ya iguru. Atongoria kuma gitaro giki ni maikitie ihoya kuri muingi guthingata thayo na gitio guku makihariria kunyita ugeni makiri na makiri ma muingi. Mubunge wa Lego Usoga Samuel Atandi akinyita mbaru mĩario ino, oho ni acokirie President William Ruto ngatho ni gutigirira Raila Odinga ni athikwo ta mutongoria jaba.
Locally here, the local committee, which is chaired by the county secretary, has made a lot of progress in terms of preparations to host the thousands of visitors and mourners who are coming to join us tomorrow, starting tomorrow until Sunday. There are also issues to do with security of the multitude of people who are going to come here. Those are issues that are being looked at, but also how our guests are going to be fed, to be entertained. So these are the things that this committee is looking at.
Ihinda-inĩ riu naguo muingi wa Githumo na gicigo giothe kia Nyanza ni uthingatĩtwo kuiga thayo na makiria mothe wa rũciũ rĩrĩa matanyĩtwo gũkaheo kamweke ga kuona na kugira uhoro mutongoria wao. Mĩhang'o ĩrĩa ĩgakorwo ĩgĩkinyanĩrio kĩharo-inĩ kia Jomo Kenyatta International Stadium.
We have had security meetings since this happened. In fact, we were here on Wednesday, the day before yesterday, and we have put all the plans in place to ensure that we have a peaceful burial.
Mwandiki mukaru ministry-inĩ ya ugitiri Raymond Omolo na governor wa Kisumu Professor Anyang' Nyong'o makiuria ikari mwena uyu magathingata thayo hindi ya kwirorera mwiri wa Raila Odinga.
For purposes of just trying to look at our readiness to host the body of the Prime Minister tomorrow morning for public viewing, which will be happening in this stadium. We expect the body to arrive by 8 a.m. in the morning, and therefore we expect members of the public at the very least to be in or to start streaming in by 7 a.m. in the morning. So the order of events is that as soon as the body is here, there will be no public speeches. There will only be a quick prayer by the clergy, and then the process of viewing will begin.
People will have the opportunity, those who may not make it to Bondo, to say their farewell to our leader, Right Honorable Raila Odinga tomorrow. What we appeal to people is to understand that it is a solemn occasion tomorrow. It is a mourning, not a merrymaking or a feast. So we request the people to come here early. There will be marshals showing people how to line so that everybody gets an opportunity to see the Prime Minister and then leave. There will be no other meeting here. There will be just the opportunity for the prayers and people to view the body of our great leader and then go home and give chance to the others to do so. It's a very simple process.
Atongoria makiuga mwiri wa Raila Odinga ugakinya thaa 2:30 na gutwarwo kiharo-ini kiu kuria aikari a Kisumu magakorwo na kanya ga kumuona nginyagia thaa 9 cia hwaini. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Edwin Mbugua.
Na rĩu nĩ ihinda rĩngĩ rĩega rĩa gũkorwo tũgĩikĩrio oro hanini mwĩroreri wa Kameme TV o harĩa hothe ũrĩ, na nĩ ngatho mũno nĩ ũndũ wa gũthiĩ na mbere o twĩhokeire mĩtambo nĩguo tũkũmenyithia. Nĩ tũracokereria tũrĩ ona riboti ingĩ iria cikonainie na gũcakaya Prime Minister wa tene Raila Odinga.
Asante kwa kunipigia simu. Simu yako nitaipokea kwa muda usiokuwa mrefu. Je, unajua kuwa wimbo wa taifa wa Kenya ulitokana na wimbo wa Kipokomo, mojawapo ya kabila za pwani nchini Kenya? Wimbo rasmi ulitungwa na Thomas Johnson Kalume.
Ili kuset asante kwa kunipigia kama skiza tune yako, dial *811 *622 hash.
We are turning up the heat on Star Times. Unravel the thriller mystery of the evil eye returns on Star Life. Fall for the irresistible charm of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim on Novella E+. Get absorbed in the emotional twists of My Wonderful Life on Novella E. Step into the all-new season of Hello Mr. Right, Kenya's most exciting dating reality show on Rainbow Plus. Renew your subscription today, starting from just 329 Kenya shillings for Nyota Bouquet on the aerial decoder or 549 Kenya shillings for Nova Bouquet on the dish decoder. Download the StarTimes app to stay connected anytime, anywhere. StarTimes. Enjoy digital life.
Usife moyo, weka matumaini yako hai. Ipo siku maombi yako yatatimia. Ipo siku neema itashuka maishani mwako. Zidi kuweka matumaini yako hai. Kwegwatira skiza tune tumaini hihinya *811 *48 hash. Wegwatira skiza tune tumaini thimwe-inĩ yaku mothe *811 *48 hash.
Hihi tokorwo uhuthagira thimu yaku o kuhura gutuma SMS kana gutumira WhatsApp tu ureke tugucanure uria ungihota kwigira iheo nayo jishikie rewards. Urafata o ku download app ya Stahili, weke survey o nini uheo data any more internet more life. Gutire gweterera na ndurarihio onaki. Nĩtũnyitanĩire na endia indo mwanya matuka-inĩ na thondeki indo gutigirira o ate wagura kindu ukaheo rewards. Download Stahili app omothe, wekira special code Kameme TV na hau otugwo na iheota cashback coupons. It's that simple. Zawadika pap na Stahili.
Nĩ twacokereria tũrathiĩ na mbere na mũtamburũko wa mohoro. Mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kamĩtĩ ĩrĩa ĩratabania mĩbango ya mathiko ma ũrĩa warĩ Prime Minister Raila Odinga, Professor Kithure Kindiki nĩ augĩte mĩbango ĩno nĩ thiĩte na mbere wega ta ũrĩa ĩratanyĩtwo. Kindiki ariwe mũnini wa mũtongoria wa bũrũri augĩte mĩbango ya gũtwara mwĩrĩ wa Raila mwena wa Gĩthumo nĩ ĩrĩkĩte na mwĩrĩ wa Raila ũgakinya Gĩthumo thaa 2:30 cia rũcinĩ.
8 a.m. or thereabouts, members of the public are requested to be settled by 7 a.m. to dignify the arrival of the remains of our leader. There will be public viewing of the mortal remains of the late Prime Minister Raila Odinga at Mamboleo grounds for most of the day until we are satisfied that everyone has had a chance to respect the remains of our leader. Thereafter, the body will be taken to Bondo for an overnight stay before burial on Sunday.
Tomorrow we'll be moving home. Sunday will be a day to give the final send-off. And I would like to clarify something which has been in the press. This matter of where the grave of Raila or where he will be interred, the particular spot. The press has been saying that in Raila's will, he said he wanted to be buried next to his mother, and that we have verified it, and now we are burying him next to his father. Nothing could be far from the truth. Raila, I have seen the will, and it clearly states that he would like to be buried next to, in the place where his mother and father are buried. In the place where his father and mother are buried. So father and mother are buried at Nyamira Kango, Kajaramogi. And that is where Raila is going to be buried, at Kango, Kajaramogi, where his father and mother are buried. Whether the grave is next to the mother or next to the father, that is now a detail which he did not say, and I don't know why it is important to you, whether it is next to the mother or the father. Both of them are his parents. Both of them are his parents, and that was our decision. And I thank you all. I thank you all, and only plead for peace.
Ogo niguo maundu magagikara muthenya wa rucio na mwandiki witu Mobi wa Chege ni akiri mwena ucio na ni njui ni agakorwo agitunengereria maundu imwe kwa imwe uria magakorwo makihanika niguo gutigira ati mwirori wa Kameme TV gutiri undu gakorwo ugikuhetuka reke tuthie na mbere guku bururi ugicakaya na gukungwira muturire wa uria wari Prime Minister Raila Odinga, mutongoria na noe mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga kiharo-ini kia Nyayo. Muingi wa kaunti itiganite ona guo ndunatigwo na thutha kuria magana ma a Kenya marumireire mitheo mari hamwe kugerera karavisheni iria cikwambitwo matauni-ini macio. Mwandiki witu Jao wa Kinuthia na ripoti ino.
You have finished the audit, right?
Kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu muingi ukurokete tauni-ini ya Eldoret kuria urumirire kwionera mithe ya kuririkana mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga kugerera TV iria ikuigitwo nja thenge wa rio inene riria riuma mwena ucio. Mubango ucio kaunti-ini yo gikinyanirio ni munini wa gavana wa Uasin Gishu Evans Kapgea unyitanirine na County Commissioner Edson Nyare. Na kuo mwena wa Nyandarua, speaker wa bunge ya Nyandarua Wachira Waiganjo hamwe na uria wari gavana wa Nyandarua Francis Kimemia ni mashakaite Raila makiuga arari mutongoria njamba ukoretwo akirwira ihoto na wiyathi wa bururi.
Raila ari mutongoria wa bururi witu wothe na kwi maundu maingi mega ekite mangiririkanwo thiini wa mundu kurikia gukua turirikana maundu ma mega ekite na ndagweta mamenyinyi mamo ta maundu ma katiba itu ya 2010 Baran ne aroire ku make sure kwamba kuona ati katiba itu ne ahituka na utie muthamaki ugoka atuike wa kunyarira ruri rukana ruru tondu andu mena indo ciao thiini wa mashinani na thikari tigwathwo na njira ya kihoto.
Maugite Raila ni gitugi gia bururi kiria gitakariganira ni undu wa ucamba wake wa gutetera muingi na kunyita itemi gukinyaniria gatiba ya bururi.
Tukwenda kuga arohuruka uhoro na no gukienda gutuma condolences ciakwa kwi the right honorable Raila Omolo Odinga. No nyende kuga muthiri muthenya wa kieha tondu ucio ni muteti umwe njorua ni statement. Raila Odinga ni acipite siasa cia bururi uyu tondu ngirora kuma baba wakua 1990 kindu ni atikire over mubunge wa Rang'ata gituika prime minister ungikora hindi ciothe ithurano cigikwo Raila ni akoretwo agi play role nene muno siasa-ini na ni amentete ateti aingi ungirora na kuria Nyanza ni kuria ateti aingi muno wa Orengo aingi muno aria mafuatite.
Nakuo kaunti-inĩ ya Embu aruti wĩra rũhonge-inĩ rwa Jua Kali arĩa namba nene yao maumĩte mwena wa Nyanza nĩ morĩtie magekĩrĩrwo Carabishon kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Moi Stadium Embu nĩguo gũkamahotithia kũrũmĩrĩra igongona rĩa mathiko ma Odinga kuona ingĩ matingĩhota gwĩkinyia gwake mũciĩ.
Kwa wale ambao hawezi fika pale Nyanza kusindikiza shujaa, waweze kutuwekea pale mahali tunaweza watch ama mahali tunaweza angalia mazishi ya msupavu wetu ambaye ametuacha. Joey
Matongoretio ni Rolling Stone Njoki uria niwe mutongoria wao ni mataririe wendo wao munene kugira uhoro Odinga indi kumana na ngarama ya iguru ya muturire ti othe mangihota gwikinyia bondo.
Kulingana na mapendekezo ya wananchi wale wanaishi hapa Embu County, wanaomba mandamu gavana akiwa ndio kiongozi hapa Embu, na vile kuna viongozi wametoka hii eneo kama Deputy Dr. Ibrahim Kindiki waweze kuleta screen, na kwa sababu tunajua mira ya Wanjaruo rasimo wakule nyama hata kama ni ng'ombe moja ama mbili. Saa hii Mr. Jovre Roko ambaye akiwa CS anasema ni mtetezi wa hapa Embu County waweze kutuletea screen, hata sisi ambaye tutafika kule tukue na holiday yetu hapa tukiserekea tukisindikiza baba yetu hapa Embu.
Ngĩgũithĩranĩria mohoro ma Kameme gĩtagwo Jau ya Kĩnuthia.
Nĩ ngatho mũno Jau nĩ ũndũ wa riboti ĩyo, na maũndũ no maingĩ marĩa marakĩhanĩka mathiũrũrũkĩirie kuhuruka kwa mutongoria ti Raila Odinga. Tukwamba gũikĩrio ro hanini, na nĩ ngatho mũno kũrĩ arĩa othe maragĩthiĩ na mbere na gũtwarĩria na gũcakaya hamwe na famĩlĩ ya Raila Odinga na bũrũri wothe. Mũndũ gwĩtwo Peter Kawe marĩ na mũtumia wake wĩtagwo Priscilla Wambui maranjĩra nĩ maragĩcakaya gĩkuũ kĩa Raila Odinga na marĩ kũrĩa mwena wa Kahawa West. No ningĩ nĩ marakĩmenyithia atĩ mũthenya wa rũciũ nĩ ũgakorwo wĩ mũthenya wa mwanya, tondũ kũrĩa mwena wa Kĩgumo handũ hetagwo Gĩthima Gathĩgĩrĩ, ngwĩciria nĩ ndagweta rĩtwa rĩu wega, kwa mũndũ gwĩtwo Bote Mũkuri, kũu mbaru cigakorwo ciĩ nyingĩ mũthenya wa rũciũ, tondũ nĩguo agakorwo na igongona rĩake rĩa gũkĩracia. Nĩ tũramwendithĩria ihinda rĩega, asanteni sana. Reke twambe tũikĩrie, nĩ tũgũcokereria.
People Daily, Kenya's trusted newspaper, is making history as the first daily to go fully digital. By transitioning from print to the PD News app, we are delivering the same exceptional journalism you've relied on for years in a completely new way to experience it. It's news for today and the future. No paper, no waste. Just real-time updates and customizable stories. This is a leap towards innovation, sustainability, and a better experience for you, our reader. Download the PD app now on Play Store and App Store. People Daily. News that moves with you.
Love carried them through time. And betrayal staring their lives apart. Turning what's sweet to sour.
Nimekuja kudai haki yangu.
Lazizi Season 1, Monday to Friday at 8 p.m. on Maisha Magic Plus, DSTV channel 163 and GoTV channel 3.
We're all in this thing together, then why can't we all just live as one? Greetings, Kenya, Mambo Bepe. This is Lieutenant Messenger inviting you when K24 presents the Good Vibes Festival live in Nairobi, Kenya at the Jamhuri Park Showground, Saturday, November the 22nd, 2025. Go get your tickets. It's going to be epic. Run, go and get your ticket. I'm coming up to Kenya to rock it. See you there.
judgment, it not go pretty. Iniquity, unity is strength, and the strength is the power.
No wende andu aria makurigicĩirie arata hamwe na family yaku muikarage na thayo na mukenete nyitanagira nani ngugi wa Karanja ngigutereba thiini wa tabara ya kwibanga guku gwa Kameme TV
urathie gucokora thimu na thimu yo ti yaku
tigai kwaria mbere ya ciana athuri mendaga leadership koguo angĩkorwo mũthuri waku ndoi ikara ũguo mũrĩ akĩgu
oro muthenya wa kiumia kwambĩrĩria thaa 4 cia ũtukũ nginyagia thaa 6
wona thĩna kĩũra rũga
kumutwarira ihwa kumuhe chocolate o mundu ena rũthiomi rwake
nĩ mũndũ amenye mũtumia wake akenaga rĩ tiga gũthaka na mũndũ mwarĩ ndũgũ nake angĩkorwo nĩ ũrenda kũrũgamia mũciĩ waku
tukurehagira ageni mwaki magagũtara
it's all about communication
kwĩyaria kwĩiturũra ũkahũtha ngoro yaku
nawe ũgatigwo ũkĩbanga
maũndũ maya no igũbangwo
ambĩrĩria
harĩa ũrĩ na kĩrĩa wĩ nakĩo good we wibange
Nitwacokereria na President wa tene Uhuru wa Kenyatta umuthi ni anyitanire na Kenya aria agi othe na atongoria agi gucakaya mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga akiaria mithaine ya igongona riu riria rihanikeire kuria kiharo-ini kia Nyayo. President Uhuru ni ahinyiriirie horo wigie urumwe wa bururi akiuga ucio niguo rari wendi wa Raila Odinga. Reke tuthikiririe miario ya President wa tene Uhuru Kenyatta uria wothe amehanire kuria kiharo-ini kia Nyayo.
Nianze tena niseme Mama Aida Odinga, Rosemary, Junior, Winnie na familia yote ya mwenda zetu, rafiki wetu Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga. Mheshimiwa Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto na First Lady Mama Rachel Ruto, viongozi wa nchi za kigeni na majirani ambao wametutembelea kuja kuomboleza na sisi, waombolezaji wenzangu, hamjambo? Hamjambo tena. Asanteni sana. Tuko hapa pamoja kama Wakenya kusherehekea maisha ya Mkenya mwenzetu, kiongozi, rafiki yangu, lakini mimi nilimpenda kama ndugu yangu. Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga, vile tumeambiwa hapa, tulimjua kwa majina tofauti tofauti: Agwambo, Jacob, Tinga. Lakini kama Wakenya kutoka kona zote tulimjua na tukamheshimu kama baba. Na tulimuita baba kwa sababu Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga alipenda nchi yake Kenya kuliko kitu kingine chochote. Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga alikuwa baba wa wote, hakuwa na ukabila na alipenda nchi na wananchi wa Kenya wote. Na testimony hiyo yaoneshwa na marafiki tofauti tofauti ambao ukienda kumtembelea kwake nyumbani ulikuwa unawakuta huko. Marafiki kutoka kila kona ya taifa letu la Kenya. Raila alikupenda kwa sababu ya maono yako, alikupenda kwa sababu ya fikira zako, alikupenda kwa vitendo yako, lakini sio kwa sababu ya rangi yako ama kabila lako. Leo hii Kenya imepoteza kiongozi. Historia ya demokrasia katika taifa letu la Kenya haiwezi iandikwe bila la jina la Raila Amolo Odinga kuwa nambari moja. Historia ya Kenya ya binadamu na haki za wananchi wote haiwezi iandikwe na Raila Amolo Odinga kuwa nambari moja. Historia ya ungatuzi na kuhakikisha ya kwamba wananchi kule mashinani wana uwezo ya kujiongoza na kujitawala na kuwa na viongozi ambao wanatekeleza shida za wananchi kule chini, haiwezi iandikwe bila ya jina ya Raila Amolo Odinga kuwa nambari moja. Raila, lakini ndani za roho yetu, ndani ya spirit ya Kenya, ataendelea kuishi miaka na miaka tukisonga mbele. Wenzetu, Raila alipenda amani. Raila alipenda umoja wa taifa letu. Raila alifurahia akiona Wakenya wakiungana, wakishirikiana, wakijenga taifa lao pamoja. Raila alikuwa mtetezi wa haki ya kila mtu. Pahali ambapo alikuwa anaona hakuna haki, Raila ndio alikuwa wa mbele hapo kuhakikisha ya kwamba haki zimepatikana. Na wenzangu, tunawakumbuka wakina Mzee Jomo Kenyatta na Jaramogi Odinga kwa kutetea na kila mara tunasema tunatalinda uhuru. Leo hii Odinga na hatutakubali kama Wakenya haki za Hatutakubali nyuma. Kwa sisi na hiyo ndio njia ya kuona legacy yake. Nimekuja kuomboleza ya tuna huzuni na tunaomboleza. Lazima kama Wakenya tuchukue nafasi hii, kwa sababu Raila hangeweza kutenda yale ambayo alitenda kama angekuwa amesimamiwa Mama Aida Odinga na watoto wake Rosemary, Junior, Winnie na familia yake yote. Kwa Wakenya tunawashukuru kwa kutupatia Raila atumikie nchi, na kwa kumuunga mkono ndio awe na nguvu ya kututumikia sisi wote. Yangu ni kusema, ndugu yangu, tuende vyema. Wenzangu, kastori kadogo tu, sio kubwa. Unajua saa ingine baada ya kazi tukiwa tulia kidogo hapo nini, tunapewa kakitu kidogo hapo. Kwani mnacheka? Mimi kakitu kidogo nasema uji na chai. Lakini wakati tulikuwa tunapiga gumzo, saa ingine tulikuwa tunajiuliza, unajua jamani, wale wazee ambao wameenda, wakina Jaramogi, wakina Jomo, wakina Nkrumah, wakina Mwalimu Nyerere, jameni, unafikirianga wakiketi wanaongeanga mambo gani? Mimi nilikuwa nasema unajua wanaongea siasa kama sisi, wanatuangalia tu na mambo hii yetu ya upuzi hapa, wanatuchekelea. Anasema lakini unajua I'm very keen kujua. Sasa ndugu yangu, umeenda mbele yangu, sasa tayari najua mnajiongeleshana huko, na sio ati niko na haraka ya kuja kuwafikia, lakini bado tunataka tutulie kidogo. Mwenyezi Mungu atusaidie, lakini najua wakati wetu tukifika utakuwa hapo kutuambia njia ya kutembea hizo mabarabara za huko. Kwa hivyo yangu, ndugu yangu, ni kuombee kwa Mwenyezi Mungu akurehemu, akulaze na amani na wenzako, ukijua ya kwamba twakumbuka wewe na yale ambao umebakisha tutaendelea nayo, na familia yako sasa imekuwa yetu, na tutaendelea kuwalinda na kuwachunga na kusimama pamoja nao kwa wakati wote. Nasema lala salama ndugu. Mungu awabariki familia yako na awafariji na awapatie nguvu, na Mungu aendelee kuibariki Kenya hii yetu, Afrika Mashariki na Afrika kwa jumla. Asanteni sana, Mungu awabariki.
Ucio ni uria wari president wa kana wa bururi wa Kenya akiheana macakaya make kuri Raila Odinga uria makirutithanirie nake wira thirikari-ini yake thutha wa ngeithi iria ciakihanikire mweri wa gatatu mwaka wa 2018 na guthii uguo nginya mwaka wa 2022 na riu igongona-ini oro riu mutumia wa Raila Odinga mama Aida Odinga onake no acakaire muthuri wake na kumuririkana miaka 52 iria makoretwo maturanetie hamwe agitariria maundu maingi maria akinyaneirie no umwe wa maria meyumiririe na njira nene muno ni mama Aida Odinga kuhinyiriria ati Raila Odinga ni arathuire maundu megemainie na ungumania na uici wa indo cia muingi.
Dear husband Raila Amolo Odinga, for those who don't know me, I've got a very long name. They call me Canon Dr. Aida Betty Odinga EST. Now, these names don't just come like that, but they are names that are given. I cannot forget the name that the public has given me called Min Ping. That name is a very heavy name because it is a name that puts a lot of responsibility to the owner of that name. I'm also gotten the name of Peace Ambassador. And for that reason, even before I say something else, I'd like to say something about peace. One thing that I know that Raila stood for, and he keep on repeating, is that we need peace in our nation, we need peace in our homes. And peace will not survive in a situation, in a chaotic situation. For that reason, I appeal, today I appeal, let us mourn Raila in peace. I know you are all concerned, I know you are all mourning, you are sad about this, but let's keep peace so that the peace can prevail, not only here in the stadium, but also in the rest of the country. Coming to talk about my dear husband, Raila Amolo Odinga. I first met Raila way back in the early 70s, and we got married in 1973. For that reason, I've lived with this man for 52 years. Many of the people that I see or who are in this stadium could have easily be our children. No wonder you call him Baba. That name did not come from nowhere, but came from the experience and the life that he has lived with and relationship that he has had with some of these people. During our union, we were blessed by 4 children. First, the first child was called Fidel Castro Odhiambo Odinga. When Fidel was born, I was a bit hesitant the way he gives the name. I said, why do you call him Fidel? Then he said he was a great admirer of Fidel Castro, and therefore he named his first child Fidel Castro Odinga. Later, we had the second child, Rosemary, and he again Rose is the name of my mother, and Mary is the name of his mother. We combined the two names together and we call the child Rosemary. It also has a meaning to us. When it came to the third one, and he named after his best friend and his cousin called Raila Kembo, with whom they shared the name. So we ended up with Raila Oginga Odinga. Last, there was a big gap, and I'll explain to you. Last came the fourth child. The fourth child, when I went to the hospital, and you know those mothers, you know, you end up somewhere in labor ward. And I was watching the television. And on the television, that's the time when Nelson Mandela had come out of prison. It was he's been there for 27 years. Raila also had been in prison, but that's not why we named her Winnie. And I was on the television, I could see Winnie Mandela as Mandela walked out of the gates of the prison. By then, I didn't know what kind of child I was going to get. But then I said, if it's a boy, we'll name him Wilson Mandela. But if it's a girl, will be Winnie Mandela. And therefore, Winnie Mandela arrived. And that's the fourth child. I see when you look at this naming of the children, a child anything that you want. Appeal to those who are still having babies. Give your child a meaningful name. Because you name them people you never saw, you never heard of, simply because it saw the name written somewhere. There's nothing wrong with giving our children the names of the people who in our lives we think are the heroes. Our life was not smooth life. Just like any other family, there's been ups and downs. But as we continue living together, we've learned how to cope because we all have weaknesses and strengths. We learned to talk straight to one another. We learned to speak the truth, and we learned to forgive and move on. Now that forgiving spirit was not only in the home, but is something that he has spread to the Kenyan. You've seen how many times he has tried in the elections, but that forgiveness is paramount. So please don't carry grudges from one generation to another and from one group to another. We are all Kenyans. We are all Kenyans. We are sisters and brothers. We must learn to forgive easily and build together Kenya. Towards the end, I'll not say everything. I would like to say everything, but time would not allow. And a span of 52 years is not a short time. I hope that when I get another opportunity on Sunday, I'll be able to say more. But one thing that he kept on repeating to me is that we must urge Kenyans, we must urge